This Realty ONE Group Select property video is presented by Sue Nichols. Feel right at home in this like new 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath ranch home. Once you open the door, you will see all the natural light and open floor plan. Sleek, laminate wood floors lead past a formal dining room and/or office into a bright and airy living space. Cooking will be a delight in the spacious kitchen outfitted with stainless steel appliances, gas stove and beautiful cabinetry. Settle into the primary bedroom highlighting a tray ceiling, walk-in closet, bathroom equipped with dual vanities, walk-in shower and separate toilet room. Crown molding throughout the home. Upstairs features a spacious bonus and/or bedroom. Home is situated on 0.82 acres with a 3-car garage and extra parking pad for your guests. Home is convenient to I77 and Lake